Yes people, welcome to this video, and in this video we're gonna try to make a logo transparent in Canva, and we're gonna cover both methods with the premium version, and I'm gonna give you a quick solution with the free version. It's a little bit more complicated, but we're gonna get into it, and stick with me. So come to my telephone and I'm gonna show you how to do it in your mobile app. Yes, so welcome to my mobile phone, and we choose a logo just randomly, and if you want to choose another logo you can go ahead, of course, but this one I choose to do this tutorial. So you see here it's artist Annabelle, and that's why it's randomly, and of course I can tab everything and I can delete everything, of course, but then you will stick with a white background, and that's not that we don't want. So what we have to do, we can go by pressing our pile up, so our arrow up, and then we press download. Then you see transparent background, and of course you see next to it you see a little crown, and little crown means that it's only for premium paid users, and I really recommend to pay for Canva because you have so many more options, but that's of course up to you. It costs $10, and I'm not an affiliate, and I don't put any affiliate links under this video. So but it's my opinion that you can better go for pro version of Canva, and then if you do a lot with it, of course. Well, we choose transparent background, and you can download this file transparent. Of course, if you don't have Canva Pro, what I really recommend is to download it just PNG or another file what you can use in Photoshop. And if you don't have Photoshop, well, you have to search another tool online, but in Photoshop you can of course delete the background. So that's easy if you want to do that, and I hope I helped you. If you want, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Wish you a very pleasant day. Thank you, bye bye.